Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2015 Mazda CX-3, stock number 6917. This ran from the 3rd 2015 to the 7th 2018. It has a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine plus 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand taillight. Right hand taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear and right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front curtain light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,